In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where Roblox Premium is not giving you Robux on mobile device. Let's get started. First, you need to confirm whether your premium subscription is actually active. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website roblox.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now click on three bars. If you see the option Get Premium, this usually means you don't have an active subscription, but if that option is missing, it usually means premium is already active on your account. Now here's something important. You should know that sometimes Roblox can take a little time to update your premium status. In some cases, it might take a few minutes to up 24 to 72 hours for Robux to appear after subscribing. So don't panic if it does not show immediately. If it still does not work, the next step is to log out and log in back into your account. Go to settings. Then click on the option Sign Out. Now you can close the app or browser, reopen it, and sign in again. This can often refresh your account and fix syncing issues. If you have waited a couple of days and you still haven't received your Roblox or premium benefit, then you should check your account support option. Navigate to the Roblox support page. And in the search box type in I need help with my account or billing and payments. From there look for topics like where are my Robux. Scroll down the article and if nothing helps, select no, this didn't solve my problem and then choose the option to contact Roblox support. Explain your issue clearly and their team will help you investigate your premium and Roblox status, and that's it. These are some ways to fix Roblox Premium not giving you Robux on mobile device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.